Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Wednesday, the second day of April 2014. Today in the live trading room, it took a long time to get my 2 points. There was, I missed a couple of minutes right at the beginning, and there were enough trades right at the beginning to get the goal for the day. But I missed those couple of trades, and then as happens to people, they end up getting the following trades, which ended up being losing trades, or trades that didn't make any money, didn't go to profit. So it took me 118 minutes to get my goal today. My goal was $120 a contract. Well, my goal was $100 a contract, but when I closed the trade out, I was up 120 per contract. It was my last trade of the morning, and it went 10 ticks and put me over the top. Today, anyway, we made 1 tick profit on the Russell, 4 ticks profit on natural gas. We lost 4 ticks on crude, and we made 11 ticks profit on gold. On the month, we're up $420 per contract. Last month, we were up $5,335 per contract. So we'll get there. Today, it took 118 minutes and 17 trades to get to my goal. We took a total of 17 trades today. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken so far in the live trading room, you would, okay, never mind. You would have a net, with an $8 commission, you would have a net of $164. With a $5 commission, you would have a net of $260 for the two days that we traded in the live trading room. Okay, I know it's not much, but it's the start of something. Last month we ended plus 5,335. The month before that, 6,042.5. The month before that, 6,027.5. That is per contract in the live trading room only. 1 contract. All right. Now let me show you guys how to get into the free trial if you have not taken a free trial yet. I want to show you how to do that. Here it is. To take a free trial, all you have to do is go to CFRN.net. Over here in the right-hand column, just put in your name and your email address, click register for a free trial. Once you do that, you'll be sent a confirmation link in the email address that you enter. So make sure you enter a valid email. You'll be sent a confirmation link, and you got to click on that confirmation link. You got to click on that confirmation link to get the to notify us that you've actually taken the trial. We don't know until you've clicked that confirmation link that you've taken the free trial. Once you do that, we'll be sent an email, and then we'll return the email a couple times over, actually. You'll get a couple of emails. One will be all kinds of information about us, what we've done, what we're all about, the password and the links to get into the live trading room for the following 5 business days. And then there'll be another email that follows up with that. That's got a couple of videos showing you, basically giving you a little preview of what you're gonna be seeing in the live trading room. Okay, so you'll understand a little bit of what to expect. Let's see. That's it. That's all you have to do. Your name and your email address. No credit card required. Okay. So if you all do that, then you'll be sent all the information you need to take the free trial. Now that I've done that, I need to go over the trades that I took in the live trading room today. Okay? Let's see. It was rough going today for me. Compared to how it normally is, there was just no follow-through until the live trading room closed right here. Then we had a nice follow-through right here on crude oil. But, leading up to that, it just wasn't good. You can see right here, this was the pre-market. It was really choppy in the pre-market. Our very first trade was right in here. We got a long trade right here on the bounce off the BBC. And with that bounce off the BBC, we took... is that crude? Yeah, I had messed the very first trade up on crude. I had gotten long up here instead of down here. And I had messed that trade up. So or it was something over here. I messed one trade up somewhere in here. And I lost 3 ticks. But on this one, I had made a couple of ticks profit on this one. Okay, the next one was right in here. This was a down close below the trend line. That went about, 6 ticks, 7 ticks, something like that. And I ended up getting a couple ticks profit on that one. It turned around. I missed this nice trade right here. This was a good one right here. I don't know why I missed that, but that was a good one right there. and it turned around again and gave a shorting opportunity right in here somewhere. Now the black step line got up above the BBC, so we had nothing we could do there. Right over here there was a down close below the trend line. That was a shorting opportunity, but there was no divergence, so I didn't try to take that. Over here there was a nice trade with a nice steep slope on the cycle. A good opportunity to go short right there. I did let that one go. Okay, I didn't get filled on it, is what it is. I did get filled on this one over here, and it stopped me out pretty much to the tick, and then it got really choppy and sideways. Once it finally moved down, it got all the way down here. This was at the end of the live trading room. I shorted on the down close off the BBC. Again, steep slope on the cycle, and those usually work out really well. Okay, so I got short there, and I took a couple of ticks profit on it. I think we ended up minus 4 ticks. Yeah, minus 4 ticks on the crude oil today. You can see in here there were nice moves in here after the live trading room closed. Right here, right here, right here, and right here on the short side. And it seems like it's flattened out here a little bit right now. But that was our day with crude oil. Okay, we're minus 4 ticks on crude. All right, the next one is this Russell. This Russell right here. On the Russell, let's see, we have, scrolling back, the very first opportunity was right here shortly after the open. It was a shorting opportunity right there, which I missed, and I missed the follow-up trade too. I missed both of those. Either one of those would have given me my 2 points in the first 5 minutes, but it didn't happen. The next trade that I did take was a losing trade. It was a down close right here, and it stopped me out for minus 8 ticks. On this one over here, I had gotten it back, most of it in here anyway. I got short in here, and I took some profit right down there. I don't remember exactly what I ended up with after that trade, but I did stop out again right here. Okay, yeah, I think I got it back. That's what it was. I got 8 ticks profit on this and got it back to even. Then I did better than that. I got back to even, I think, or better, and then I stopped out on this one for minus 8. I got a break even on this one, and then on this one, I believe I got 10 ticks profit, I think, right at the end. Anyway, we ended the Russell plus 1 tick on the Russell. Okay, I was pretty sure we got something pretty good on this. 10 ticks, I think, is what we got. Maybe 8, something like that. I don't remember, but we ended a plus 1 tick on the Russell. Since then, after the live trading room closed, it was a beautiful opportunity right here for a long trade that went up there. Turned around and it gave a shorting opportunity right here, which would have been a break-even trade for me probably, or maybe just a small profit. But that was it. That was it for the Russell. Okay, now gold. Gold is where we made the majority of the money today. Okay, we really only had a couple of trades. I didn't feel like we missed a lot of opportunities, but looking at it right now, and that was pre-market, we really didn't miss a lot of opportunities. There was really nothing we could do right in here or in here. Our first opportunity was right here on gold. We shorted it. We took 1 tick profit. Our final trade of the day, I think, was right in here, wasn't it? That wasn't the final trade of the day, but our final trade in gold, anyway, was right in here, and we took 10 ticks profit on that. I think that was the final trade of the day, and we took 10 ticks profit on that, and that was it for the gold. All right, this was an up close over the trend line. All right, up close above the trend line right there. All right, soybeans. Let's see, we had a few trades in the beans today. Our very first trade on the soybeans was right here. Now, I had told you that a bunch of the partners grabbed the very first trade, which was right here this morning, and they made their money in the first couple of minutes. I'm sorry, was it right over here? Yeah, it was this up close right here, and they made their money in the first couple of minutes right here. Okay, I happened to grab this one right here, and it stopped me out for minus 8 ticks. Then I took a short right here for plus 4 ticks, down close below the trend line. Another one right here, down close below the trend line for another 4 ticks. It got me back to break even on the soybeans. I was telling everybody in the room at that time that from 76, it should get down to 78. Small black. That's as big as I can make the cursor. I used to have a white one, but nobody could see it, David. A red one? You think red would be better? I can look at some other colors for it and see. Let me see. If I click over here, personalize. Give me just a sec. I don't want to take too long in here in the middle of this. But mouse pointers. Window black, large system scheme. You do extra large. What's that look like? Yeah, I can do extra large. And pointer options, speed, wheel, hardware. Yeah, it doesn't give me a color option. Okay, but I can make it extra large. And I hit apply, and I think it's trying to apply it right now. But is that better? Okay, I don't know where I was. On the soybeans, I think. Right? I took 4 ticks profit there, and I took 4 ticks profit in another one. I was telling everybody in the room, first I was telling everybody in the room when it was up here at 84 that if it goes down, it's going to go down to first to 78, and then it closes below 78, it'll get 76. Then from 76, I said watch for it to get down to 70, and if it closes below 70, it'll go to 68. So all that happened right here. Okay. That's what I was telling everybody in the room this morning. Looks like there was some nice opportunity in here, right here. Okay, a long trade right in there. Came back down, hit the BBC. Another long trade right here that really went nowhere. It would have been a break-even trade for me. You see how the green line got up into the cycle right here, and we did not put in a higher swing. There was a fellow in the room this morning that said something about double tops and how I don't talk about double tops and other patterns like that. But when I draw these boxes in, it's taken that into account. Okay, this would be a double top if price doesn't get up above it. If price doesn't even approach it, then it's a head and shoulder. This would be the head, this is a shoulder, and there's another shoulder. Okay, that's a little bit different stuff, but once you kind of stick with the boxes that I draw, then you'll see it better happening on your own. But anyway, on the soybeans, we ended even on the day. After 3 trades, we ended even on the day. On the ES, we didn't take any trades. I think we only highlighted a couple. Let's just see here. Yeah, there was one long right in here. That would have been a small profit. And right in here, there were 2 trades. They would have overlapped and been a break-even trade. Okay. All right, and the natural gas. On the natural gas, let's see. We had a down close over here. That was one of the first trades that I took. I think we started out the morning and I had 3 trades on at the same time. At least 2 trades. Maybe 3 trades at the same time. Anyway, the natural gas, we took a short right here on the down close off the BBC. And we took a small profit on that. We missed this long trade right here that was going up into the weekly trading zone. We missed that. We took a short right over here. Okay, down close right there. Took that short. And that was it. That was all we had on the natural gas this morning. Okay. Let's see. We looked at some other markets this morning. The YM we looked at. The Euro. Not the Euro. The YM and the NQ. All my drawing objects that I had put on the YM I took off, but there were some nice trading opportunities on the YM and on the NQ this morning. Okay. All right, guys. With that, I'm going to wrap up my recording here. I just want to remind everybody that there's a partners meeting tomorrow night. You must be a partner to get into it. And if you are on the free trial and you don't know what it takes to become a partner and you want to know what it takes to become a partner, then just send us a quick email at support@cfrn.net. That's support@cfrn.net. Okay, and we'll get you hooked up as quickly as possible. All right, with that, I'm going to shut off the recording.